Hi guys, this is the Cole family. We are cooking baked chicken with mushroom sauce. First thing you do is to clean the chicken, take out the skin, cut the patch and cut at the middle. After that, rub with salt, pepper and oil. Use sesame oil. My ingredients is chicken breast, minced meat. You can use any kind of minced meat, and cheese, and marinate for 2 hours. After that, you fry your mincemeat with butter and seasoning. Now after 2 hours, you do it like this. Take the mincemeat that you cooked just now, stuff inside the chicken. Just do it like this. Add the cheese and close it properly, and then seal it with the barbecue stick. You can use toothpick, but toothpick is very short, so I use barbecue stick. It's more longer because you need to close properly so that the cheese and the meat not come out later when you fry. Now it's done. After that, you just fry it like this until golden brown both sides. Guys, I use butter to fry the chicken. It's more tasty and nice. Now it's time to turn. After golden brown, put on the tray because we need to bake this chicken like that. And this is my mushroom sauce, homemade. I make myself. This is the chicken now. Just pour the mushroom sauce on top of the chicken like this. Simple cooking, guys. Because my kids ask for it, especially the children. And sprinkle of some cheese again to make more nicer the flavor and more tasty. And after that, you bake for 30 minutes in a high heat. Now this is the chicken after bake. It's ready to eat. This is our dinner, guys. The chicken sauce is very creamy. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos. Thank you so much.